This is a short walkthrough of connecting to and controlling your color spikes from the mobile app. Each of the pucks on this screen represents an individual color spike. We have 4 color spikes available, and we've already connected to 3 of them, so we'll start by connecting to the last one. You'll see that when there are no pattern conflicts, the connect sequence only takes a few seconds. Once we're connected, we can tap the name of the color spike to view its settings pane. You'll see information for what firmware version it's on, how much storage space is available, and options to change its name. Now we'll move to the remotes pane by tapping the remotes icon on the main navigation at the bottom. You'll be spending a lot of time in this section of the app, as it's the primary means of controlling color spikes while connected. Each of our connected color spikes has its own remote, and you can swipe back and forth in this tray to control the lights individually. In a later tutorial, we'll cover creating groups for controlling multiple color spikes in tandem. On this first color spike, we'll use the second slider to change the speed of the pattern, which will throw it out of sync with the other lights. Swiping over to the right, we'll see a remote for device 2, and we'll turn on the mirroring option so that the pattern reflects about the center for an interesting symmetrical effect. Swiping again to color spike 3, we'll tap on the next tray of options and apply a hue shift. As you can see, the pattern keeps running uninterrupted as you make changes. Finally, on the last color spike, we'll change the pattern completely. Tapping on the current pattern will bring up the pattern browser, which shows a list of all the patterns available on this particular color spike. We'll select a simple solid color pattern. You'll notice that when changing from an animated pattern to a solid pattern, the remote changes to reflect the new controls that are available on this pattern type. We'll simply change the hue and saturation here. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials. If you have any specific questions, feel free to reach out on Instagram or Twitter @colorspike, or using the contact form at colorspike.com.